Animals are all around us, but do you know their LUO names? Stick around. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina. Welcome. In today's video, we shall talk about all the animals that you know. We shall give you a picture of the animal and its LUO name. Eland. Do you know you know an eland?
No.
This one here.
Huh?
This one here. This is an eland. So an eland is called abuor.
Aboor.
Abuor.
Aboor.
Then redback. A redback is called abor.
Aboor.
Abor.
Aboor.
Remember, an eland is abuor.
Aboor.
A redback is abor.
Aboor.
There are people called abor. There are people called abor. So I think their names are about those things. Now, a squirrel is called aida.
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 So squirrel is aida, and this is a squirrel right here. That's a squirrel. Then a giraffe. A giraffe is called LUO.
LUO.
LUO. Some people, because giraffe has a Swahili name, it has been assimilated to be called Tiga.
Tiga.
And Swahili name of giraffe is Twiga. So the LUO name is Tiga.
Tiga.
Tiga or LUO.
LUO.
Then we have a camel. Is it a camel or a camel?
Camel.
A camel is called LUO Conglo.
LUO Conglo.
LUO Conglo.
LUO Conglo.
Yes, that's a camel. A camel. A camel.
If you would like to see the same video, but in a different setting, where is it? Is it right here?
We don't link videos nowadays.
No, that one we did with Tony.
Oh yeah, we did an animal video. We'll link it right here, somewhere here. Yes. Yeah. Now a horse. A horse is called ambuor.
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 Remember, an eland was called abuor.
Abuor.
And then a redback was called abur.
Abur.
Now a horse is called ambuor.
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 A waterbuck is called apol.
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 Not apol. Apol.
It's like you're saying apple, but
yes.
apple.
Apol.
Apol.
That's a waterbuck, okay? Apol. A rabbit, apuoyo.
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 That's a rabbit, okay? Apuoyo. Remember apuoyos? Apuoyo. Apuoyo means I'm appreciating. But apuoyo. Okay?
Apuoyo.
So don't say apuoyo. You say apuoyo.
Apuoyo.
Then a jackal. A jackal is bue.
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 A baboon. Beam.
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 That's a baboon. Beam.
Beam.
Then there's a mole. Do you know a mole? The one that digs the ground is fuko.
Fuko.
Now fuko or buyu.
Buyu.
Fuko.
Fuko.
Buyu.
Buyu.
That's a mole. Same thing, okay? A porcupine is chiewo.
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 Chiewo is porcupine, okay? Then a monkey. Monkey has many names. First of all, monkey has also been adapted to the Swahili name of kima. Kima is monkey. So they've adopted that name kima. But also, there are many types of monkeys. So there's a monkey called doll.
Doll.
And there's a monkey called kikondo.
Kikondo.
So monkey has very many species, and one of them is doll, another is kikondo. Unfortunately, I don't know how to differentiate the two.
Ongeche.
Monkeys are also called onger.
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 Or kikondo. Or we have already talked about it, okay?
Yeah.
A cow, a domestic cow. A cow is called diang.
Diang.
Many people do not know how to pronounce the word diang because of the way it is arranged. So if you have to, please go to our phonetics video and watch the how to pronounce the words, okay? Diang. Diang. Okay? A goat. Diel.
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 That's a goat. And then asitatunga. Asitatunga is dwe.
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 Dwe. But
Dwe.
isn't the other one dwe?
Which other one?
There's
the other one is bue.
Bwe.
Bue. That's a jackal. Bue.
Bwe.
So the sitatunga is dwe.
Dwe.
Okay? Then we can go on to a spring hare.
Spring hare.
You know a hare?
Yeah.
A hare, a wild rabbit,
Rabbit.
is a hare. It's called gor.
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 Gor is a spring hare. And a dog?
Gwok.
Gwok. Correct. A dog is gwok. Then a bat. You know a bat, the ones that don't see.
Yes.
They are called hanyinya.
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 That's a bat, okay? Then a buffalo is joey.
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 That's a buffalo, okay? A donkey
Donkey.
is a, you say kanyina.
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 That's a donkey, okay?
Donkey.
Kanyina.
Kanyina.
A leopard, quach.
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 That's a leopard, quach.
Quach.
Now, there's something called a giant rat. You know those giant rats? The big one, the ones the size of this thing. Yeah? They are called laqualpala.
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 Then an elephant is liech.
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 All the words, all the I and the E have to sound. Liech.
Liech.
Yes, liech.
Liech.
A zebra, magua.
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 Old buffalo, miguna.
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 So miguna is an old buffalo, okay? Old buffalo. A wild pig is called mbeche.
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 Mbeche is a wild pig, okay? Then a warthog. A warthog is called mbidi.
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 Mbidi is a warthog, okay? An otter. You know what an otter is? An otter is called manduklu.
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 And then we go on to an hedgehog. Hedgehog. You know hedgehog? Hedgehog is munglu.
Munglu.
Munglu oragwe.
Munglu oragwe.
Munglu oragwe.
Munglu oragwe.
That's a hedgehog, okay? Then an ant bear. An ant bear is called muok.
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 An ant bear, okay? Then a domesticated pig is called ngao.
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 A wild pig is called njiri.
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 That's a wild pig, okay? And a domesticated cat is called nyambura.
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 And then a bat is called oliktiga.
Oliktiga.
Or hanyinya.
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 Oliktiga. Now, a roan antelope is called omoro.
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 Roan antelope, okay? Then a rhinoceros is called omuga.
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 Then there is hyenas. You know, hyenas have many types. So we have many types. One is called ondiek.
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 So ondiek is one hyena. Many is ondiegi.
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 Ondiek. Ondiegi.
Ondiek. Ondiegi.
Then there is one called ondieg nyang'au, ondieg otoyo, ondieg nyandeu, ondieg angima. No, Ondieg nyang'au, ondieg nyangi, ondieg otoyo, ondieg nyandeu. Say them.
Ondiek nyanyao.
Ondieg nyang'au,
Ondiek nyang'ao.
ondieg nyangi,
Ondieg nyangi.
ondieg otoyo,
Ondieg otoyo.
gi ondieg nyandeu.
Ondieg nyandeo.
So all those are hyena species, okay? Then there is also quach. Quach is a nini?
Quach is something.
Is a leopard. Then a fox is called kibwe.
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 That's a fox, okay? A mule is called nyumbu.
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 Mule, okay? And a dik is called othwele.
Otuele.
Othwele.
Otuele.
That's a dik, okay?
What is that animal?
I will show you a picture of it, okay? Then a hippopotamus. Rawo.
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 Hippopotamus, okay? Wild beast. Riwo.
Riwo.
Rawo.
Riwo.
Riwo. Wild beast. Riwo.
Riwo.
Hippopotamus. Rawo.
Rawo.
Okay? Sheep. Rombo.
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 That's a sheep. A lion. Guess what? Lion. Sibur.
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 That's a lion. A wild dog. Sude.
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 Wild dog. Sude. Okay?
Sude.
Hyrax.
Hyrax.
Terere.
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 Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Tega.
Tega.
Didn't we say giraffe up here?
Now you know all the animals in English and in the LUO language.
I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of such videos, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and you can also join our channel to be a member and to have access to all the
content that are not available to people who are not members.
I hope you enjoyed.
Eat again.
Eat again.
Now, oh my god. Okay.
Now you know all about.
Now you know all about animals in both the LUO language and the English language.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy, please give it a like. Consider subscribing to the channel, and now you can be a member so that you have access to all the other videos that members only can access. For now,
Read it. Goodbye.
read it. So we shall start. Nikki will give me the English name, and I will give it the LUO name, okay?
I start from the top. Or
I don't
just
know.
the ones I know.
I don't know.
I just start from the ones I know. Elan.
Eland.
Elan. Squirrel. Red book.
Aya, tuanze. Haya. Tingalongolong, tingalongolong, tingalongolong. That's it.